Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable the waiting room feature in Zoom on your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll need to either join an existing meeting or start a new one. This feature can only be adjusted while you're actively in a meeting, so make sure you're in a live session before proceeding. Once you're in the meeting, tap anywhere on your screen to reveal the meeting controls at the bottom. These controls give you access to all the important features you need to manage your meeting, including participant settings, chat options, and security features. Now look at the bottom of your screen and tap the three dots icon. This opens up a menu with additional meeting options that aren't immediately visible in the main control bar. It's essentially your gateway to more advanced settings and host tools. From the menu that appears, tap on Host Tools. This section is specifically designed for meeting hosts and gives you control over various aspects of your meeting, including security settings, participant management, and room configurations. It's where you'll find all the administrative features you need to run your meeting smoothly. Next, tap on Security. This option houses all the security-related settings for your meeting, and the waiting room feature is one of the key security tools Zoom offers. The security menu allows you to control who can enter your meeting and when, giving you full control over access to your session. Finally, you'll see a toggle switch right beside the waiting room option. Simply tap this toggle to disable the waiting room feature. Once you do this, participants will be able to join your meeting directly without needing to wait in a virtual lobby for you to admit them. This can be useful when you want to streamline the joining process and trust that only invited participants have access to your meeting link. And that's it! You've successfully disabled the waiting room in Zoom on your mobile device, allowing participants to join your meetings instantly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.